Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. If it's your first time, welcome. Today I'll be doing a nice short video for you guys showing you how I take out this yarn twist. I've had them in for about 2 weeks plus. I can't remember exactly when I got them done, but I will link a video to how I put this in, my installment process. So yeah, a lot of you wanted to know how to take this out and how to not get damaged with your rubber band. So let's see what happens today. Actually, so I found something out and I'll put a link down in the description. I found this rubber band cutters. So you don't even need a pair of scissors. You can just, you know how you open up an envelope with an envelope opener? It's like that, but it's just tiny, just snip on Amazon. I wasn't able to get it in time to show you on this video, but I'll put a link in the description in case you're interested. And I've also got some oil as well. So let's get this out of our hair, out of my hair. All right. So let's see the method if I was to pull it down. Okay, so that's it, guys. It took me probably like 35 minutes to get all of this twist out. Tips is, again, using the scissors, just pull the rubber band, snip. If it doesn't just unravel by itself, just twist at the base and it will come out. If your hair is dry, just put some oil on your hair before you start taking it out or while you're taking it out. And I will be using my aloe vera as a pre-poo, so I'm going to put some aloe vera in, put my shower cap on, and then I'm washing my hair and I'm going to sit under the dryer with a conditioner and I'll wash that out. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you've got any questions, let me know in the comments down below. No, I didn't experience any damage. My hair didn't fall out. The yarn braids did not dry out my hair, but then I only had it in for about 2 weeks anyway, so think about all of that. Yeah, so that's it. Okay, bye. Nice short video for you guys, and I'll see you in my next one. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Give me a like so I can know to make more of these kinds of videos. Bye.